Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelin bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Government reopens places of worship from 16th August 2021. Government allows holding of marriage ceremonies after Independence Day. 50 entrepreneurs receive the Chief Minister's E-Championship in Clay 2021. Members of HA&M apprehend a person for selling illicit liquor in Bernard, Ripoll District, and Khasi Disabilities Association criticizes government for non-payment of financial assistance. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya government today decides to reopen places of worship from the 16th August 2021. This decision was taken after the review meeting of the government.
District administration and also from all concerned stakeholders as far as religious worshipping places is concerned. I would like to tell you that the government has decided to reopen up the religious worshipping places in the state of Meghalaya with effect from 16 August 2021. And the capacity of these churches gathering should not be more than 1/3 strength. However, the SOPs and notification will be issued by the Chief Secretary within few days' time from now. And I would like to request all the concerned churches, all the concerned religious worshipping denominations to kindly adhere and strict compliance of the SOP has to be followed.
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today informed that the government has taken the decision to allow holding of marriage ceremonies from 16th August 2021 with strict adherence to health protocols which will be issued in the coming days.
Also, will take effective from 16 August 2021. However, the SOPs and notification will be issued by the Chief Secretary within few days' time from now. And I would like to request all the concerned churches, all the concerned religious worshipping denominations to kindly adhere and strict compliance of the SOP has to be followed.
Meghalaya government will soon take a final decision to reopen schools after consulting with the Education Department.
Asked the Education Department to give us the presentation what is the modality for opening up of schools or colleges or university. That will be taken up in the next maybe few days or few weeks.
The Deputy Chief Minister today urged the private vehicle owners who have not been issued with the pass to be patient for some more time, as the state government will soon further relax the movement of private vehicles. Addressing the media, Tinsong however said that private vehicles should also strictly adhere the health protocols as one of the means to contain the spread of the virus. The minister also said the only way to contain the virus is through vaccination, and as of now only 46% of the state population has been vaccinated.
Dalade yalade ban ngan ban biang sejisen kabangila ban yada kumba kalong menta haka perthai barakawe kade vaccination kade ka injection lene kade ketika Ladangi lapoi namat kumba kolong mentangi dang poi 20% hadu 20%. Ke vaccination drive ke mengidap hadu menta ke sengi kalong kumba 100%. Tuna kandiat ke soi sim 100%. Te ke basa menta kalong sa 100% kan persen sa sekarang 100% means another 50 around 54%. There's still a long way to go. But naka team jongka health department niki department ki baper haki block level haduk ki village level ka ka bangi traisitom kolong ban pensutu i ki brio na daw ngong pikatu ka CCMT ka COVID committee management team jong ki Shillong ki tau mentangin ya persangkat bala bandon ke jingi trei rengkat batki lapi ong ya ke vaccination lani lapi ong ya ka ban ya dayu ni knyang jingpang ki jing spread unyu knyang jingpang kumno begin le ya kanir ungi discuss pahamne hapok review meeting bangi hap ban ya trailang rengkat bat kini ki borsnong ki borthau kum begin le ha uneus nem mu bladem.
Now we shall take a short commercial break. We'll continue with the remaining news. The Chief Minister's E-Championship Conclave 2021 was held today at State Convention Centre, Shillong, where 50 entrepreneurs were awarded 1 lakh rupees for their innovative ideas. These entrepreneurs will be provided trainings and hand-holdings in collaboration with IIM Kolkata at one of their innovative programs. Speaking on the occasion, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said there is a strong need to provide a proper ecosystem for entrepreneurship in the state and the region as a whole. The Prime program was started with an aim to help the young and budding entrepreneurs get a platform to grow business and to leverage on the opportunities provided by the government. Further, he emphasized that entrepreneurs should have purpose and passion in life and not to give up. Entrepreneurship realizes the opportunities and gaps, he said. Citing examples of climate change, the Chief Minister expressed the need to have more entrepreneurs who can come up with clean energy not only to mitigate the problems but also to adapt to climate change. It was also informed that prime hubs will be established in different places in the state. He further added that the program held today was for Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills, and for Garo Hills it will be held on 18th of this month.
Jing bat ni Henry ngis ngungu pat ya kanika prime hub ya ka kalala ya ka ban wan ra ka ayangi ya kanika recognition mo khnang banginang la ban ya sakmat ha kanika business ka jongi te akaju ka poru ngakwa ya ka ban ai ku bele ya ka team hi barok ka we ya ka team kamai ha ba songkai nadu ki nong ri khnyang kinong tirksai bat kinong than ki jongi ya ka ba kiru kila treitom klem da ka jing ya treitom klem da ka jing ya treilang ka jongki nginom la ban poi hadu kan ni thong
na po es kesel district na no district na baro ka jila Meghalaya tingi warra kan ka platform Kami objektif hi kalong ban preserve, ban protect, ban conserve ya kami mariam. Te kumbang ong ya pi kiladon ki project ha ki snem ki balalej ha kapor ba nomor ngi dei ka batch ka first batch kabangi yo ban incubate sa kaneka prime startup. Te kijit nang tu kumba san pho kita ki team ki na ki khat lai ka sau spa tali ki application ki bathap. Te ngi ru yo rungin ha katu ka por ha kata ka top 50.
Members of Nyautarep Achik National Movement Bernihat Circle on Sunday night apprehended a person for selling illicit liquor to the residents of Bernihat area and Ripoy district. The apprehended person was later handed over to the officer of Bernihat Police Outpost for taking necessary action. Speaking to the media, the president of Nyautarep Achik National Movement Bernihat Circle said they strongly condemned the hypocrisy of the apprehended person who would clandestinely sell liquor during the night.
कितना दिन से ये शुरू किया है? क्योंकि आपका तो वाइन स्टोर नहीं है, ये ठेला चना है, तो क्यों बिक्री किया है? बोलो क्या करेगा? दिलीप को फोन करेगा? तो क्या करेगा? बोलो इतना ज़्यादा है और नहीं है? उधर थैला बिक्री नहीं करता है? खेले चेक लगो थैला के कर हुई देखता थैला हुई देखता खेले चेक लगो kawan sa Shillong kataw sa Bernihat bat kumjur sa Ripoy district bro kawe patjur ba kamdei banlong batjur ya rumah Shillong simkhya gane kam bala jumla ban simkhya kini gi jingsne ki kendroi hantam hapo berni ki bapun bahagi ong ba kiladon ki dikhar tengi ki khasing ina mailat kadba dang im ga chinam kadba dang im ki dikhot dang ga chinam dalele ina mailat bagi dikhar kinwan sashar hagari jongi ka pasisi te dei na kata daw ikarpat juru ba ya ka excise department ru ba kanwan jungo teng nang tag patrolling te kini gi bru bangala kemru nila IT no shifti jongi pulit ai public sa sisin ya ki parado parasnam parado khot jongi hamtam yo uncha jongka armut incharge ke bangidon kawai dei one store kawai dei lana protection cell dan Bernihat Circle bakila simkhya lakila lap ya kane kam to public subun idan adin kata ngil IT ru ya yagi yaune ubru bangila yokem hakti jong kan kulit kilawan ben simno na kane ka jaka ka bangila yokem public subun ni kerpat ni teman skam baga police department ru kan le ya ka kam bata entahi public subun na kalian ke Bernihat Circle.
The Khasi Disabilities Association today released a new ambulance to be used for persons with disabilities. Speaking to the media, the General Secretary of Khasi Disabilities Association, Michael Thongni, thanked the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for his willingness to help the persons with disabilities.
Right to Person with Disabilities Act 2016. Tenga ai ka jingsungu ya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma ya ka ba ulah simkhia bha. But ular penlong ru yang kata policy jangka sungkam tungjam na mentaki beri badan kamet hapok kenekaan ya ke badan hausian bat kumjuru kaneka ambulans ke baki mentaka singi ngaingu yai ngasongu yai namar ba ilas ngap ya ka jengkafat ka jonga panirap lem ya ka seng Khasi Disabilities Association barila penyo ru ya kanekali lamba ka scheme ka jongu ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund jong senam ahajar pendai adakat pendai bat arpau te kane ka jing yo jong ka seng ya ambulans kanlong ka jing rap ka bakraw sikata sikat de namar ba ki bri badan jing na ka mat ki juyo pang kloi lane ki jukem kha ya ka jing pang te menta kum ka seng uba starwen ujukan paw yang ki jing balada ukwa ban phun ambulans lane ban wai ambulans njudan pisah po ka seng bat ki bri badan jing ka mat ki jutip hi baki wan bek barabor na ki long ying long sem ki beduk ya ka baki kmi pa kimla ban kershan than lane ban ai tan.
President of Khasi Disabilities Association, Starwin Kharjana, today urged the state government to release the financial assistance meant for the people with disabilities in the state. Speaking to the media, the President Starwin Kharjana said the state government that looks after the welfare of everyone in the state should also start releasing the money meant for people with disabilities because all of them belong to poor families.
Assistant kabagi juyo san spak tingkai sibnai. Iba jan hapo Meghalaya kidon sau pulai hajar ngut. Te jan baro hi kila yo lut ya kanika baibam ka ba ka sarkar kala ai jan baro kila yo lut hindai ka kabangi kana menta kalong be ba kidang prusa menta cisnem mi tempat pelaj ya kaba kila de pelaj baru sikata kan long subu kumanga nga yo baru sikata snem te mentala cisnem ngaklem yo te kumta ka long ka ai ka ba sengudu mesti benar kiwei ki yo ya ka jong ka bah te balai pet de yangi ka sarkar kan leben ngi ngimla ban tre ngi ngimla ban ya shei kiwei artat ru ba ka sarkar hakini ki jingtrei gane ka khlam te kala batha ru ki bri jira dekat met bakin dei ban lech ne shatai te leng ba kata te nakata kadau te ngirung isir ban lech ne shatai kumtaru ni shu akni lenti ba kane ka baibam ka sarkar kan pelaj.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.